Hello everyone, let us start discussion of exercise based on lesson number 6, composition of matter. Question number 1, choose the appropriate option and rewrite the following statements. The intermolecular force is dash in the particles of solid. Options are there: minimum, moderate, maximum, indefinite. In solid, particles are compactly arranged. They are very tightly held with each other. Intermolecular force is maximum in the particles of solid. Solids retain their volume even when external pressure is applied. This property is called plasticity, incompressibility, fluidity, elasticity. Answer is elasticity. Matter is classified into types mixture, compounds and element by applying the criteria: 1. State of matter, 2. Phases of matters, 3. Chemical composition of matter. Last one is all of these. Matter is classified into types like mixture, compound and element on the basis of chemical composition of matter. Matter that contain two or more constituent substances is called mixture. Milk is an example of type of matter called solution or homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture or suspension. Milk is an example of heterogeneous mixture. Actually, it is colloid, and colloid comes under the category of heterogeneous mixture. Water, mercury and bromine are similar to each other because three are liquids, compounds, nonmetals or elements. They all come under the category liquids. The correct answer is liquids. Valency of carbon is 4 and that of oxygen is 2. From this we understand that there are dash chemical bonds between the carbon atom and one oxygen atom in the compound carbon dioxide. Valency of carbon is 4 and oxygen has valency 2. If we cross multiply element with valency, we will come to know that there are two chemical bonds between carbon atom and oxygen atom in carbon dioxide molecule. Question number 2. Identify the odd term out and explain. Gold, silver, copper, brass. Which one is odd? Brass is odd one because others are element. Hydrogen, hydrogen peroxide, carbon dioxide, water vapor. Hydrogen is odd term, others are compounds. Milk, lemon juice, carbon, steel. Which one is the odd term here? Carbon. Others are mixtures. Milk is a mixture. Lemon juice is also mixture and steel contains two or more than two elements chemically combined. Carbon only exists as a element here. Water, mercury, bromine, petrol. Petrol is odd term. Others are inorganic compounds and petrol comes under the category of organic compound. Sugar, salt, baking soda, blue vitriol. Sugar is odd term. Others are inorganic compounds. Children, do you remember the definition of organic and inorganic compounds? Organic compounds, when heated strongly, a black residue is formed, and when inorganic compounds are heated strongly, colorless residue is left. Sugar, when it is heated strongly, black colored residue is left. So it is organic compound and others are inorganic compounds. Hydrogen, sodium, potassium, carbon. odd term is carbon, and others are monovalent elements. Mono means single, valent means having valency 1. So hydrogen, sodium, potassium, they all possess valency 1, and carbon has valency 4. Carbon is tetravalent and others are monovalent elements. Answer the following questions. Plants synthesize glucose in sunlight with the help of chlorophyll from carbon dioxide and water and give away oxygen. Identify the 4 compounds in this process and name them. This is the photosynthesis process in which carbon dioxide and water is used and glucose and oxygen is formed. So we have to identify the 4 compounds under which category they can be classified. This is a chemical equation for photosynthesis process. 6CO2 plus 6H2O. In presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, photosynthesis occurs, and C6H12O6 glucose plus 6O2 oxygen is liberated and glucose is the final product. Carbon dioxide, water, glucose and chlorophyll are the 4 compounds. Carbon dioxide and water, they are inorganic compounds. Glucose is organic compound and chlorophyll is a complex compound. In one sample of brass, the following ingredients were found: copper 70%, zinc 30%. Identify the solvent, solute and solution from this. Solvent is always present in largest proportion. So which one is present in largest proportion here? Copper. So copper is solvent. Zinc is present in smallest proportion. Zinc is solute, and brass, which is formed here, it is an alloy of copper and zinc, so it is solution. Another example can be considered when lemon juice is added into water. Lemon juice is solute and water is solvent. Lemon juice is present in smallest proportion and water is taken into largest proportion, and the solution is lemon juice plus water, which is formed here, is the solution. Clear? Seawater tastes salty due to dissolved salt. The salinity, the proportion of salts in water of some water bodies: Lunar Lake 7.9%, Pacific Ocean 3.5%, Mediterranean Sea 3.8%, Dead Sea 33.7%. Explain 2 characteristics of mixture from above information. The characteristics of mixture are: constituent of mixture do not combine chemically. The mixture constituent element combine in any proportion. For example, uh, here Dead Sea has maximum proportion of salts. So in mixture constituent element may have different proportion. Lunar Lake has salt content less, Pacific Ocean 3.5% likewise. So Dead Sea has maximum percent of salt. So elements concentration may vary in mixture. Constituent of mixture can be separated by simple physical method. Salt, if you heat salt water, water will evaporate and salt will remain behind. So constituent of mixtures can be easily separated by physical processes. So these are the 3 characteristics of mixture. We will discuss remaining question in next video.